Hello friends, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today I am going to tell you that how to draw this type of building plan in your AutoCAD. So as you can see, this is my AutoCAD 2020 which I am using right now. So this is the building plan which I have given the built up area as a 38 feet into 40 feet. So in this plan you can see this is the duplex type of plan. So if you are also interested to do this type of plan in your AutoCAD, so watch this video completely, do not skip this tutorial in the middle. So for that, start this tutorial. So as you can see, this is my building plan, right? So as it is, I am going to draw here, so that will be really helpful for you. So you can see this is the shop, this is the hall, and this is the master bedroom. So you can see it here, there is two master bedroom and one here the kitchen, dinings, and this all room have their specification which I have already mentioned over here. So this will be the entrance of this building plan. So this is the main gate, as you can see, and this is the shop. So you can see the specification and the dimensions of the shop, but not only the shop, all of these building plans means building rooms, dinings, halls, bedrooms, staircase. So the same type of building plan I'm going to draw here. So first of all, what you need to do means watch this video completely. So just go to your keyboard and just write over here REC rectangular command. So enter it. Now you will get, now once you drag it, you can see I can draw a rectangle, right? So how much rectangle I need to take means, as you can see, I have already told you that what is the built up area I have taken as a 40 feet into 38 feet. So this will be my built up area. So now I am going to give some input as a 38 feet, then press comma, then go for 40 feet, right? Just enter it. Now you can see the same rectangle I got it here. So now what I want to do means just go for offset command, just click it over here. Now you know the 9 inch is the exterior wall thickness which I am going to give it here 9 feet. Now go for escape command. So don't forget to escape. This is the brain of the AutoCAD if you are using the AutoCAD 2020 which I am using here. Now you can see this is the polyline. Generally if you can drag your mouse cursor over here, you can see this is your whole completely it is selecting, so which I really don't want because I need to do some offsets line command. So that I just go and click it here. Now go for the explode command. So the shortcut key for explode is X. See, you can see it over here. Now go for enter it. Now you can see once you click it here, you can see the single line I can take whatever the line which I want, I can get it from here. Now what I need to do means see it here in this plan, what are the things which you need to consider. So in this, what I need to take, first of all I need to take that this is my up to here, this is 40 feet, right? So I just go to take the, before going to take the 40 feet, I need to take that here, what is that which I have already taken here. So just go for the offset command, offset. Now I need to offset this line, right? So what is the offset of this line for here to here to, directly I'm going to take here to here. So as you know that this exterior wall thickness I have already taken, so I need to take the offset of this line. C, this is my washing clothes means, washing cloth means I need to keep it here the washing machines, right? So the width of this room is means this space is 3 feet 3 inches. So I need to do here offset, already I have did it here 3 feet 3 inches. Just go for offset of it. Now you can see I have drag it. Now I need to go for the same of 9 inches for the wall thickness. Two brick wall thickness is 9 inches. Now I need to keep the master bedroom as well as kitchen dining. So first of all I need to go for the master bedroom. So you can see the length of the master bedroom means the size of the master bedroom is 3 feet 7 of 1 by 2 inches and 15 feet 7 of 1 by 2. So I need to take this one, so 13 feet 6 inches generally I will take it here. So 13 feet 6 inches. See it here. Now again I need to go for the offset command, right? Just go for the offset command of 9 inches. Now go for the escape button. So you can see my almost the work of this room has been done, but the size is not the same for the kitchen. The size of the kitchen is how much? So you can see this is the, I need to take the here to here distance, right? So for that what I need to do means I need to go for the control 0. So you may thinking that my ribbon has been disappeared, right? So this is not an issue. If you want to appear a ribbon, so you need to go for the control 0, or you can simply write ribbon, that ribbon bar will appear. So why did I this means why, what is the reason behind for hiding the ribbon is so I can do my work in a very full screen and very efficiently, so that I have did it like this. So what I need to do, the next step of it, just go for the dimension. So I'm going to measure the linear, go and click it in the linear. Now just this corner to here, because my kitchen room is up to here. So this is the 8 feet and something inches, so I will generally consider as a 8 feet 6 inches. So from here to here I need to take it, right? So see it here to here 6 feet means 8 feet 6 inches, and here to here 10 feet and 10 feet only. So what I need to do means just go for offset command of 10 feet up to here, and I need to take the thickness as a 9 inches. Now after that I need to take this 15 feet 6 inches from here to here, 15 feet 6 inches. Now click it here. Now again provide the same thing, means 9 inches, right? Just go for the escape button. Now what you need to do means just go for the trim, just trim it the both, so which I have trimmed it. Escape it. Now what I need to do means this term, this line, this extra line I do not want, so I just trim it. Escape it. After that what I need to do means you can see it here, the part is this only I want, because here some openings, these are the openings. Here you can see it, the trees are there. So go for the trim command again. Now trim it, this one and this one too. So if you also want to trim this also, go for extend command, ex double enter. Now just go for it, just do like this, skip it. Now go for again trim command, just trim it. Here also trim it. Now just go and trim this as I am doing it here. So this also don't want, this also, this also don't want. Like this way you need to do, skip it. After that what I need to do means these parts also I do not want, as you can see it here, because there is some openings. I have placed it here door, so no need to worry, I will keep it here later. So you can see it, there is some extra lines, so go for extend command. If I want to delete some extra lines, go for trim command, tr double enter, just go and trim it, skip it. After that what I need to draw means you can see my work has been almost done. So this is my 8 feet, right, and this will be my 10 feet something. So you can see it here up to here. So actually I did it here, here to here only the 10 feet, but here is some extra, means here is the some the placing in kitchen. So what I need to do means just go for what I need here. Here will be the place of dinings, right? Now here some ladders. So here I need to keep some windows, because as you can see this will be the windows. This is my exterior wall, and here is the windows placing. So from here to here there is 2 feet, so I need to go inside of 2 feet, go for the go for go for here offset of here. Now I am going to consider as a hall. So what is the length of hall is 15 feet 5 inches. So go for 15 feet 6 inches, right? Just go and click it here. So you can see it. If I will do so, I won't get this part I won't get, so that is quite larger, right? So I'm going to consider as a 12 feet. Enter. Now after this, here here to here, how much? There is 11 feet, 11 feet 3 inches. So I will click it here. After that I need to take it as a 9 inches. Again for this, here how much I need to take is that 12 feet 5 inches, 12 feet 5 inches. Again for it, go for the 9 inches, right? Now here to here I will take as a 9 inches. Escape it. See, you can see the shape is about to come. Now after that, what is the main motto for doing this is here. Here this is the master bedroom. So what is the master bedroom? Master bedroom is the bedroom which includes the bathroom and toilet. So for that, what I need to do here, you can see this is some extra lines. Go for trim it. No need to take a worry about it. Escape it. Now I need to place some offset of how much, you can see it here. This is the here to here is 4 feet, right? So go for the 4 feet, go for 4 feet from your keyboard side. So escape it. Once you check the dimension here to here, if you're doing so, this will be only the 7 feet, right? So what I need to do means go for escape button and once again measure here to here how much. This also 7 feet. So I do not want to make it as a 7 feet, I need to make it as a 5 feet. So this is the 7, I need to extend is 2 feet. Go for offset command of 2 feet from here to here. Just go to inside 2 feet. I have gone to the inside. Now delete this. Deleted. Go for offset command of 9 inches. As you can see it, see this work has been done. Now delete this. Now go for extend command, double enter. You can see it, I have extended these lines also. Now after that, what I need to do means, you can see it here, I need to provide the bathroom plus toilet. So what is the dimensions? 4 feet. Go for offset command of 4 feet, click it, just go for 4 feet. Now inside I will take as a 4.5 1 inch. 4.5 inches means one brick wall. Go for trim command, just go and trim it. Just trim this also. Just go for escape it. Now up to here I need to keep it as a, see it here, what is the thing is there. So I have taken the 4 feet, right? So here to here is 6 feet 6 inches. So before going to that, I need to provide some 2 feet. I need to leave some spaces, 2 feet, right? So go for offset command of 2 feet from here to here. This is the 2 feet. Now go for 9 inches. Escape it. Now go for trim command. So before going to trim command, you need to extend, then only you are able to trim these all lines, right? Escape it. Now go for trim command. I have trimmed this both, as you can see it here. Go for extend command. So just go for trim command, double enter, just trim it. So you can see I have trimmed this also. Then after, once you go for look out of it, so here what is the thing is that here is the one wall, right? So here will be, what will be that, this should not be here, right? So this should not be here, this should also not be there. So go for trim of it. I'm going to tell you that what should be there. Just go for it. Now what you need to do, just go for escape and go for the offset command of 6 feet 6 inches. For stair I need to keep it here. See, now go for the 4.5 inches of wall. Escape it. Now here I need to provide the what, here I need to provide the staircase, right? So for that I need to trim these all. Go for trim command, I have trimmed this. So this one I need to trim it here. Now go for, see, here some unwanted lines are there, so no need to worry. I will arrange it. Do not take worry at all. Now go for offset command of here. Here, this is the landing. I'm talking about the landing I will take as a 3 feet. So after that 3 feet, now go for the 10 inches. 1, 2. So once you skip, now go for offset command of 10 feet. 3, 4, 5. So you can see, once you need to trim this because our kitchen room has been so large. So this is the master bedroom, right? That's why its wall becomes quite larger. But here the kitchen size is only 8 feet. So from here to here, only I need to keep it as a 8 feet, right? So from here to here, so go for the offset command of 8 feet. This would be here. Now I need to provide it as a 4.5, one brick wall. Just go for escape it. After that, what I need to do means, what I need to do here, so go for again offset of 10 inches. So already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go for escape. I'm tell you, no need to worry. I'm just going to tell you after trimming this all. So I have trimmed this also. Oh no, Control Z. See here, this is the dog list type of stairs. That's why I have made it like this. So go for line command in the middle of it. So just go and do it here up to here. Skip it. Now go for offset of 3 inches from both the sides. Now escape it. Now just go and delete this. After that, see this unwanted part, right? Just go for trim it. It has been trimmed. Now not only this all, here to here I need to trim it. This all means here to here also. After that, this middle ones I need to trim this all. So I hope you are getting what I am telling you. So watch it concentrately, then you may understand each and every logic and tricks of the AutoCAD, which is really helpful to you. So just trim this also. Sorry, here I need to go with this. So you can see up to here it's only the thing is that. To here means this would not be here. So just go to here. Here in the sense here to skip it. After that, this line should not be here. This should be at this level. Skip it. Now this which I have been extended over here, this should not be here. Sorry, this should be here. So go for again trim command, double enter, just go and trim it. So we need to trim this all unwanted lines over here. After that, this also, sorry, not that, that will help you. I will tell you what is the benefit for that. So just go and trim it up to here. Now here also, these all are unwanted parts which I am going to trim it here. These all are means this all, these also. After that, what I need to tell you that this also, once you go for extend command, just extend over here. Now go for trim command, just trim it. So I have trimmed, right? So just go for escape it. After that, here also you need to trim it. So you can see the trim of it. Now go for deletion of this. Go for double enter. just trim it. Now here also trim it, skip it. After that, after all, what I need to tell you that just go for line command, just join it. Again go for the line command, sorry, just go for the line command, go for the extend command, double enter, just do it here. Now skip it, go for trim command, just trim it. Not only over here, this also we do not want, this also we do not want, this we all want to trim it. After all, you may thinking that this all should not be there. So after completion of this, you may understand that this is very good and very helpful for you while you are doing this all. Just go and trim it. So here you can see that these lines which really do not want, which we do not want, so just go and trim it. Here, here also, just go and delete this, deleted. After all, what I need to do means here some extra lines, right? Just go and delete this, go for trim command, just trim it by your own and do patiently so that it will increase your typing as well as your see. Here some logic is there. Now what you need to do means go for extend command, just extend it up to here. I'm telling you why I'm doing so. See, up to here only your plot area, you cannot provide any windows over here, so that I have some logic I need to look after it. So I will just go for trim command, tr double enter. I have trimmed it, right? Now I need to leave spaces, offset of 2 feet. I'm going to leave it so that I can provide my window over here. So I have trim of 2 feet. Now go for the 9 inches, skip it. Now go for trim command, double enter, just trim it, just trim it, just go for trim it. Here also I need to trim it, here also, here also. So you can see here, do not go for any misconception of it, just trim it. Just patiently you need to do these all the things which I am doing over here. So here, 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 just trim it. Now you can see the shape has been already come, so it looks like a building plan, right, as we have drawn over here. So here I need to provide some of the windows as well as some doors, right? So these our this is our open spaces, this is our open spaces. You may leave this spaces, I will tell you, no need to take worry. So here I need to provide some stair specification over here, just draw like this way. Now here, now go for selection of these both. I have told you about the mi, means mirror command. So skip it, just go and select of these both. If you do not have seen my previous videos, you please go through the description box, you may get all of these, and please watch it completely, then only you may get some ideas about AutoCAD plannings. And this is really helps you. You are thinking that yes, I need to learn AutoCAD, but if you are not watching the videos and genuinely you are seeing by the plans, you may thinking that I can draw this. You are doing some misunderstanding, you may lag. So go for the practices, practice makes a man perfect. Just go for all these command using of this all, just doing this. After that, see, the shape is already come over here, I have drawn, but the things has been remain to come. So where the things means, what are the things which I have to provide? Here there is shop, right? So by seeing the shop, you may understand that here should not be a wall, here should be a shutter. Shutter type of means gate. So just go for trim command, just trim it here. Now go for line command, this corner to that corner, go for space. You know the space benefit of spaces. Now go for this. After that, what I need to do it here, I need to provide the door. So once you go for the extend command, so this will be your hall, so you need to provide the main door. So I need to provide the, before going to provide the main door, I need to draw one line in the middle. So I will keep my door in the middle. So just go for offset command of 2 feet from the both, because I am going to provide my door as a 4 feet. So from top and bottom, just go for here. Now trim it, just trim this also, just delete it. So this will be your main door. Now this is your master bedroom, right? So here also you need to provide some doors. So just go for line command over here. Now just go for the line command over here to here. You may think that your, if you take again line command, you can assume means you can get it your middle point. Just drag it, just click it, you may get it your middle point line. Go for the option. Now I need to provide only 3 feet door, top, bottom. Just go for trim it. I'm telling you in the simply way, but in the case of me, I will do some single work at once I can do. But for your sake of view, I'm going through all these command and using some low pace, so that you may understand each and every logic behind it. That will really helpful for you for drawing any kind of building plan. So here I have provided one door here, one door here, one door here. Now this is your main door, means your main hall, right? And this is your shop. So this is your master bedroom. So that if you want to provide here also door, you may understand, means you may provide here. I need to provide the door because I need to go. So if I am not meeting EC, I can get it my middle point. So go for the offset command of 1.5 feet from each side. See it here. Later I will trim it. So again go for L. So here I could not get in. So go for the line command over one place to this place. Go for again line. So I got it my middle. So offset of 2 feet from top and bottom. Here one thing you may understand that this is your hall, right? This is the main gate. You need to entrance from your this whole plan, this whole building plan. If you want to leave this door as a open space, that will be really helpful, that will be good. So you can match it, or you can create door over here, or if you may need to leave some spaces here like 4 feet I have given here, so that will be also very good for you. So go for trim over here also, because you need to provide some doors, right? So delete it, sorry, just delete it. See, the shape is almost coming. Now this is your bedroom, means this is your master bedroom, not a bedroom. So here what I have did here is my bedroom. So this is the 7 feet and this will be my 4 feet. So I need to go for the offset of it. Now I will provide the 4 feet from this to this, and here to here I need to provide 6 feet only I'm going to provide. So go for the trim command, just trim it. Now just join it. Sorry, no need to join. If you need to join, you may have problem while you are placing some doors. So go for the offset of 4.7, one brick wall from the both the sides. Go for fillet command F, just click it this and this, because I need to join of it. So I need to go for the line command, take it at the middle, just go for C. The bathroom toilet or bathroom's door generally we are keeping as a 2.5 feet. So 1.25 feet from each side, here and here. Now I have did it here. This is my kitchen room, right? So go for offset command of 2 feet from this side and this side. You may understand that why I have did it like this, because I need to keep here some gases stops like that. That's why I have did it here. So here also I need to trim it. If I have trimmed, now I need to select it and delete it like this. So you can see my plan is almost about to ready, right? So now here I need to place the door. So I need to go for the line command. I am not getting the middle point up to here. Now I draw a line. Now I will get a middle point. Now go for the offset command. Now from the 1 point, so I need to provide 1.25 feet, 2.5 feet of the door width. So just go for trim command. You can directly go for this here. Now go for trim from this both. Now just delete it. See, I have provided it here. This will be your dining, or this will be your some washing clothes, like that you need to provide. So go for the line command. So if you are getting your middle point, that will be very grateful for you. Go for the offset of, I need to provide the offset will be 5 feet. I need to keep it here. 5 feet means 2.5 feet from both the sides. That will be my open spaces. So if in your plan there is lot of open spaces, that is very good for you. That is very helpful for your air breezes from your house, and for sun rays will be entered to your room in a very clear and gentle way, and that will be really helps you for good. So delete it. See, I have provided over here. Now this will be my what? This will be my bathroom. So go for line command. Before going to line command, I need to go for here. Join this. Go for offset. Go for 6 inches. I have kept it here, and then 2.5 feet. Go for trim command. Just trim it. See it here. Like this way we need to go. Now I have did it here. See. Now what I need to provide? I need to provide some of the furniture. So some furniture I need to provide here. See, the unwanted lines should always remove. Do not keep any unwanted lines in your plans. That looks your plan very clumsy. Nobody wants their plan to be clumsy. So if you are really want to draw a very attractive plan for your clients, your clients always sees your plan attractive. So now what I need to do means provide some windows. So you can see I cannot provide here the window, here also here, but I can provide my window. Go for line command, go for offset, go for offset of 1.5 feet. See it here. Just go through this way. Go for the line from the center of it. Just go for the offset of 2 inches from top and bottom. Exterior wall will be the 2 feet. Now trim this both of the lines. See, I have provided here the window, but here you can provide here also window. So in the middle only you can provide. So line I have drawn here. Anywhere I can't provide window, because somebody else room or house will be there. That's why. So here I need to provide. That's why I have leave some spaces over here. Go for line command. Search the center line. Sorry, center line. Just over here. Now again, where is the here? Draw. If there is no center line, draw one line. Now you can see the center. See, here I need to provide some ventilation. So for the ventilation, what I need to do, draw one line for searching the middle line or middle point. See, here also I need to provide the door, right? So for the door, I need to go for the line command. I will join it. I will go for the offset of 1 feet. So after this, I need to provide the 3 feet of door. Skip it. Just go for trim. Just trim it. This also you need to trim. So go for trim command. If it is not trimmed, just click it here. See, I have trimmed it here. Now here again go for offset command of 1.5 feet from both, because I am going to place it here the window. Now here 6 inches. This will be my what? Ventilation, right? So if you want to provide here some windows, that will be very good for you, but already I have left the spaces for open spaces, and that will be really good for this plan. So you can see wherever I need to provide, I have provided here, here, in front here also you can provide your windows if there will be the necessary. If not, then no need to do. Just go and go for the offset command of 2 inches from top and bottom. Just escape it. Now do it here, trim it or delete it. After that, you can see my plan is almost about to ready. Isn't it looks pretty? Go for offset command of 2 inches from both the sides. See, delete it. After that, I need to go for some hatching. So before going to hatch, I have missed this, so I will provide here 1.5 feet. That's depend on you. If you want to provide the 2 feet of windows, you can do, don't be worry. So 2 inches right from here. I hope that you all are like this video. If you all are liking this tutorial, please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for getting more updates regarding my channel. So here you can see this is your plan looks like. Now you may think that it's doesn't looks as much prettier as it looks, right? So I have the solution for you. You may think that, so you go to the ribbon bar. You can see that in ribbon there is a lot of things. Go for hatch. This is your hatch. Click it on the hatch button. You may see that lot of options are there. See, so I did not choose any of the options except this ANS I31. Click it here. Click it here. Now this will be the by layer, and just click it here. See how it looks. Once you do, escape. I hope now you feel that these plants are really going to be beautiful today. See, here, here, right? So to all over the walls. This is the only for the walls, right? See, this is the property of hatching. If you do not know about the hatching, you please watch my previous videos in from the playlist of my channel. You may learn everything in a very good way. And if you having any confusion regarding this tutorial and regarding other AutoCAD problems, you directly DM me. I will respond each and every people. Means how you DM means you just go to the link or go to my channel and just give some comments. I will work on that. So this will be my ventilation. So just go for it. Now just trim it. So you can see now by this also I can take the some some of the some of the materials from it, but I do not want to take, because if I will take from here you may not understand that how can get this all. So that I am going to work as it is, that you may know all of the logics about it. Skip it. So I will take the furniture from there, no, but not the everything. So go for the text button, click it here. You can see this type of dialog box will open. Now once you click it here and drag it, you may see that the things is coming. Once you click it here, now you can able to write anything, whatever you want to write. See, I need to write W. So you can see that has been invisible, right? So I need to search it where it has been, where it has gone. So it's here. Just go for scaling, or you just go and select it and just go for the right click, go to the quick properties here, change it to the 8 inches. Click it. See, your W looks like this. If you think that it again quite small, then you can go to your desired. So my ortho is on, so I need to off it. Wherever the window you have placed, just go and place it simply after here. Now where I need to place it window, here, right? Now I need to place the, now I need to place it here also. So I may think that you have understand the logic behind it. So again go for this, go for copy and select it and place it here. So you may thinking that this is the ventilation, right? Yeah, of course this is a ventilation, not a window. So like this, how is it? Is it looks good? Now I need to go from the furnitures. And one more thing I need to tell you, that if you do not know how to get all of the furniture over here, so you need to see or watch my previous videos in this channel. Go from the playlist of this channel and watch all the videos. You may understand that how I got this all of the furnitures. Now go for the copy command, just click it here and just place it over here. So this is my master bedroom, so this is also my master bedroom. So here skip it. Now I need, I want this furniture also, but I have lot of type, I have different varieties of furnitures. But if I will keep on working on that, it will take quite long time for you. You may, you may all have, I think, bored or interesting, I don't know, but cooperate with us. So that will be the things. This is the dining tables. So go for copy command, just drag it by clicking in the center. So this will be your dinings. Skip it. This will be your store, and this is your shop. Now here, this is the pan. Go for copy. I need to rotate it. No need to worry, I will do it. Just go here, click it here. Now you can see this term, right? So this can be, see, this is mainly made for this, but no need to worry, just go for rotate command, click it. Now for that you need to on your ortho, so click it, go for rotate command, ortho should on. So by seeing this you may have some confusion that here I did not it did not place any type of doors, right? So this is some changes and that is very good for you. So here what I need to do, again go for the, here I have missed it here for hatching, right? You do not miss it, just escape it. Now I need to provide some of the specifications over here. This is my dinings and the things is over here. You see I have did it here. Now I need to drag it, I will keep it here, skip it. After that, this is the, this is the things which I have already mentioned you. So here I need to provide it. Go for copy command, just drag it wherever you want. I want it here. So of your, this is your main bedroom, mean sorry, main hall, and this is your main door. So again go for copy command, not here. Do the time, do only easiest work, just click it here. Now drag it, I have placed it here in the same way I have placed it. If you want to place it here door, that is good, but if you not place here door, if you want to leave it here as a, here as a what, here as a openings, that will be better. So do whatever you want. This is also your main openings, or you may consider as your doors. Here the door which I have placed it here. Here also the door. Here also the door. So escape it. If you want to place it here door, that is also good, but sometimes we keep our shops to the rent, that we do not want to allow that person into our room. But if you keep your here door, that will be also good. Now after that I need to place some specification, means this, right? I have, this is my dining. This you can assume your living rooms also. Keep it. This will be your kitchen. Go for copy command. So here I have placed it. Escape it. Just go for this hall. Shop. Go for copy command. Directly to, I will get it. Escape it. Now whatever the things you want to mention over here, you can. Here I need to provide some this bathroom and toilet, so that I have provided here. And here, this is your master bedroom. This already I have told you about the master bedrooms also. This is the duplex type of plan of a building. Only the two master bedrooms are there in this plan. Now here, this trees, plan of a trees, keep it here, keep it here. Here for cool air breezes, here also you can keep it. You may decrease or increase its scale here by doing this. See this, skip it. It looks quite beautiful, right? So this is the way of doing the plan of a building in a very good and gentle way. And this type of building plan will really good for your clients, and they do not tell you anything. If you want to keep some garage over here, some parkings, you may keep it here. But if you need have some spaces, this is now the things which I need to tell you, that how to measure the dimensions also. Here just what is the build up area. So this is your build up area, is this, and here to here only the 34, and here to up to here, right? So here to here, this is because this will be the from the center, right? That's why it comes like this. Now you may have questions that if you want to go here, now you may trim this side and you can make some door or open spaces from this side to that side, that side. So this what about the today's tutorial. So if you all are interested to do some AutoCAD plannings, just comment me. I will really work on that your comments, and I will give you some of the practice of these plans. And I have uploaded lot of tutorials for AutoCAD only, and it's especially for you. So if you really want to watch all of these tutorials, now go to the description box. You may get all of these tutorials from there, and you can get it and watch it. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for getting more updates regarding this, and press the bell icon for getting all of the updates regarding to my channel. So thank you, and thanks for watching this tutorial very much.